Yeah. Audio intuition. Yeah. Ah, the massive. Anyway, on a mission. Need a chick. Audio intuition. Yeah. Raise it up just a notch. Hit down for otherwise we get wop your mad son. This one is all that certified heavy tuner, there's no track, trust me. Thick skin for those who cuss me. Sitting in the dark room waiting to bust street. Oh God, put down the drink above your bar and I can see you thirsty. More than 20 years of the game, more than man's got letters in his name, so settle down. I bring the rinsing sounds of your town so all age groups can get down. How people watching us, how we don't really fight underneath us. I know this is with feeling. All genres are very appealing. And I choose to, don't wanna confuse you, cause it might not quite be exactly what you used to. Yeah, and I choose to, I wanna confuse you, cause it might not quite be exactly what you used to.
I promise you, be good to you, miracles come true. With a hateful heart, no you won't get far, elevate your repertoire. I promise you, be good to you, miracles come true. With a hateful heart, no you won't get far, elevate your repertoire.
They're on the spot now, they wanna know the full story and just how. They wanna know whether it's true what they heard about. They wanna know if the DM's the right route or should you opt out. Consider this, wine sipping, no shots please, gal you're tripping. Happy like we're skipping, late time at night skinny dipping. Mundane life now we're flipping, marks out attendance. She can Snapchat ask your brethren. Bit emoji wa, just to let them know I go on. Bit over G and side I am go on. 5% battery in a course of alarm. Run bro, send a carrot and you know so you're done bro.
I promise you, be good to you, miracles come true. With a hateful